All right, so we're going to solve some problems involving factorization and multiplying fractions. So let's first start off with factorization. And put that up here. So we're going to go ahead, and what we want to do is we want to produce a factor tree that will allow us to list the prime numbers at the bottom of the factor tree. So I'm going to first start with 36. That is a composite number, not a prime number. A prime number is a number that has only two factors, the number and itself, like 7. The factors of 7 are 1 and 7. 3, the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Those are examples of prime numbers. But this is a composite number because it has more than two factors, a number in itself. There's 36 and 1, there's 6 and 6, so 12 and 3. So let's go ahead. We're going to list the factors of 36. I'm going to go with 6 and 6. I could have used 12 and 3, but I'm going to go with 6 and 6. Now notice that 6 is not a prime number. That's a composite number because there are other factors besides 6 and 1, such as 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. So these are the factors. There we go. And these are the factors here that multiply to produce 36. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. These are what you refer to as your prime numbers, okay? So I'm just going to say right here, prime numbers. Sometimes you can be given a problem and asked to create a factor tree, okay, which is what you're looking at now, that will allow you to generate the prime numbers at the bottom of the tree. Let's try another one. Let's try a composite number, 72. So what are the factors of 72? We can go with 9 and 8. And what are the two factors that multiply to give you 9? 3 times 3. And then what about 8? We got 4 and 2. 4 times 2. Okay, but 4 is not a prime number, but 2 is. So we need to break down 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. We'll bring these prime numbers down to the bottom of the tree. And then we'll put dots in between to imply multiplication. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. 36 times 3 is 72. This, again, this is your prime factorization of 72. Very good.